This is a story about two best friends living in the mountains and rediscovering the meaning of life. That maybe we're here just to simply exist and squeeze all of the juiciness that we possibly can out of our precious finite time we have left on this earth. To feel everything, the joy, the heartbreak, and everything in between. I hope you stay a while and maybe you might discover something too. One of my best friends is flying in tomorrow into Aspen, and we're actually kind of far from Aspen. We're like 3.5 hours away because I wanted to show him Ouray. So we're gonna spend like a few days here in Ouray, and then we're gonna go up to Crested, Butte, which is still 2.5 hours away from the airport, but it's closer because there's just like so many mountain ranges that you have to go around. I have a few things I need to do. I need to make a grocery order because there's a Walmart on the way to the airport, so we can pick that up and refill our waters there too. I also have to pick up an Amazon order there too. I need to install our bathroom door because we're gonna have a guest here and we need to have privacy, and just like clean up a bit. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We are running late. It's like 7:15 a.m. We're supposed to leave at like 6:30 the latest. It's so early, the sun hasn't even reached the mountains yet. I didn't even have time to make my grocery order because we had to cut off the Wi-Fi so early because our battery was getting so low so fast. Guys, we had a little detour. Jet ended up projectile vomiting, and twice. The second wasn't as bad, but I think he's good now. I think he got everything out of his system. I think it might have just been the car ride. But yeah, we are finally getting Philip. It was even more hectic because I was literally on empty and I didn't know if I'd make it to the next town, which was so much further than I thought. Like, there was no gas stations for like an hour and a half. There he is!
Hello. Hi, my love. Oh.
I'm so sorry. I'm 2 hours late.
Dude, I know. I was like, oh, look at me.
Philip's here! Take Philip to our favorite place, Maggie's Kitchen. Ow!
Oh my god, are you okay?
Hugs.
Another one?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, what's going on?
You need some meat on you, boy.
Oh my god.
The leaves are turning, guys. So pretty. So my birthday wish, my birthday's coming up in like, how long? 11 days. My birthday's coming up soon, and my birthday wish is to see the fall foliage, guys, and I think it's gonna come true.
Oh, look at those rocks.
We are at Ouray Ice House. So cute. And the owner is here. It's just a man and his wife. Let me charge my extra battery so we don't have to worry, and we have like that backup. So that's really nice. So we'll be here for a little bit. Okay, we are doing a hike today. I'm so excited about it. It's the Red Mountain number 3 hike. So there's 3 red mountains and we're going to like the ridge line of one of them. And they're supposed to be super colorful, like red, orange. So yeah. So before our hike, we're gonna explore the $1 Million Highway because there's really only things you can see if you just step off, and this right here is my favorite mountain. The next spot on our list to show Philip is the waterfall. So beautiful. Update, I think we found the trail, but we're definitely walking, not driving, up to the trailhead because this road's crazy. Y'all, we ended up going the wrong way. We took this path and we were supposed to go down there. Oh well, I guess it's just a reason to come back here and visit. We are getting ready to go. It's so nice having help here with Philip. Now we're going to Crested Butte to try and see the fall foliage.
Is it Ice Age? I love it pretty solid.
Sage escaped again. Oi! No, mama. No, you can't go outside, baby girl.
Your thingy tripod.
Something I realized while Philip was here was that I've been on my own for so long that I think I've forgotten just how lovely it feels to do life with someone who makes you feel so seen. I've spent so much time with myself and I absolutely cherish that time. But then I hang out with a friend who feels like such a warm hug and a safe space. And I realize, okay, this is what life is all about. Life on the road is already so incredibly beautiful and liberating. So when you're able to share that with somebody, it really just makes life feel even more special. We absolutely fell in love with this coffee and tea shop and bookstore that we found in town. Sure.
Of course.
Thank you,
Philip. My tummy's running now.
Yeah. We are walking around Crested Butte now, exploring the city, the town, and it's about to rain. Everything is so cute and colorful here.
Everything's a community here. Like you have to go out with just
The dogs. I know. We're on another hike. This time we're on the right trail. And one day left before Philip leaves, so we're trying to take advantage of our time together.
Whoa,
There's a little bit of snow right there.
Oh, that white one right there?
Yeah. This rock here is over 30 million years old. Insane. We made it! Whoa! Oh, we need to find a way to go down there. Yay! We made it! The water's really cold, but it feels so good. Philip thinks I'm crazy.
Oh my god, we're in off key.
Clifford has been through some things, y'all. Last experience before Philip leaves. These days spent walking along rivers and mountains, and nights spent singing around the campfire truly reinvigorated my spirit. This is the way I want to live my life. To be so immersed in nature, not to escape from real life or our jobs, but to return home to ourselves over and over again. To reconnect with our inner child, our wildness, and our boundless capacity to live in the present moment, so that then we may see the love in everything and witness all of the tiny miracles happening around us every day.